Yeah.
Who, him?
Okay.
Alois?
You're welcome, bro.
Hey, brother, are you hungry?
Cameroon is amazing,
Yeah.
bro.
All right, look, after we hit the mall, we go eat.
Okay, brother.
We're hitting the mall first, right? Chat, after we hit the mall, we go eat. Wow, I feel like I'm about to fall over. Am I tripping? Huh? I don't know, I feel like I'm high off the energy, but I feel like I'm about to pass out. Huh? I'm just telling you, just so if you know I fall, like you know what happened. Nah, I'm straight. I feel like I'm about to pass out, but I feel good though. I'm about to pass out, but I feel good. I do feel good though, it's crazy.
You feel good?
Huh?
You feel good, but you want to pass out.
I feel good, but I feel like I can pass out. Because the energy, chat, the energy is that good.
About 2 kilometers away.
2 kilometers?
Yeah.
That's far.
That's
What is that, a 10-minute walk?
10-minute walk, yeah.
Dinner.
10-minute walk?
Dinner, right? Dinner. Hop in here, brother. Hey, get in first, get in first. He hops in the middle, you get on the side.
Get on that side.
Huh? I'm gonna get on the other side. Yeah, you're right. All right, bet, thank you. Cameroon!
Cameroon.
Hey, love! Cameroon! Hey, these guys lit. I'm coming back. Chat, when I leave, I'm coming back. I promise. Cameroon does it different.
Yeah, bro, it's different.
No place like Cameroon.
Cameroon
Golly.
is different. Cameroon is different.
Cameroon is different.
It's different.
You can't replace Cameroon.
Swear to God.
You love it here, huh? Would you ever leave?
I'm gonna leave, bro.
Dubai? Where you want to go?
Wanna go with you?
United States.
United
Stay
States.
less.
We are going together, bro.
We make that happen. Don't worry.
Okay, brother.
All right, now we headed to dinner.
Let's go.
Ashton Small.
Yeah.
You good?
We take him to America.
For real.
All 3 of us.
Really.
I promise you it's gonna happen.
Thank you, man.
All 3 of us gonna be in America. Watch.
you, brother.
Watch what I tell you. In Miami. The right way.
The right way.
The right way.
Right way, brother.
Come on, man.
Jesus is amazing.
Jesus is amazing.
Oh.
Jesus is king.
You good? I'm good.
Somebody said, wait till you come to Nigeria. Okay. I'll wait for it. Come to Sierra Lee. We'll be there. Don't worry.
Cameroon is amazing.
Cameroon is amazing, brother.
I like how people, they love each
It's the
other.
duo
Yeah,
y'all
yeah.
didn't know y'all needed. I
The
know.
love here is crazy.
know.
Love here is crazy.
These boys' energy is lit.
The
Hey,
love
can
here
we?
is crazy. If
How
it was
long
during
until
the
we
day,
leave, though?
Tomorrow we're gonna be crazy.
For sure.
For sure, brother.
Tomorrow gonna be even crazier.
even crazier, brother.
Today was
I'm telling you.
crazy. Who is that? That's your sibling? Who is that?
Yeah, that's my siblings.
Siblings?
Yeah.
Ah. All right, hey, let's hit the road.
There's my mom outside.
Your mom.
She said, I'm the sister. Oh, that's the mom? Mom, how you doing? God bless you. God bless you. Hey, sister. God bless you. God bless you guys. Beautiful family. Beautiful. Love.
I'm very happy.
Really?
I'm so happy.
It's the Lloyd siblings, his mom and his sisters. You only have sisters?
Yes.
You only have sisters?
Yeah, my brother is here.
Oh, your brother's here too?
Yeah. Tati! Fundamo. Tati!
Chat, bro, swole is free.
Hey, bro.
Dang.
We gotta go.
Yeah, brother. That's my brother.
Bro, ooh, okay, big body. What's up, bro? Big heart, I can see it. Tell him, how do I say, brother, you're a king. Something like that. Brother, you're great. Brother, you're a star.
French?
Yeah, in French. Yeah.
Mon frère, tu es un star.
Twin star.
Train style? Train style?
Slang style.
You speak French too?
No, I just I don't know French.
Love, love.
Love.
Boy, you a star here, boy. You a star here, brother.
I'm telling you, brother.
Yeah, they say Indian Ashton Hall is coming, movie loading. Ooh, with all of us, it's gonna be crazy, chat. It's gonna be crazy.
I'm telling you.
So what do you eat? You already ate all your calories for the day?
Brother, I'm just gonna eat.
Oh, you're gonna eat?
Eat.
Okay. Chicken?
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice?
Yeah.
Ah.
I do that every day.
Really?
It's not easy, brother. It's not easy.
So look, when you're 1 week out, you cut the meals down?
Yeah.
By how much? You have a coach?
Well, that's the guy I show you, my assistant.
That's your coach?
Yeah, he like guide me on how to do it,
Oh, really?
what to eat, how to stuff like that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, so he knows about the bodybuilding.
Exactly.
So he tells you to cut out what, rice? He say cut
Exactly.
out all carbs.
Yeah. He like have idea about bodybuilding. And he saw me and he said that this boy, you can be great.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
He said that to you?
Yeah.
Oh.
The world is seeing, brother.
Oh, they know. They know.
We need to make it happen.
Come on, it's here. It's already
yeah.
happened. It already happened.
Yeah,
Watch what I
brother.
tell you. There's no going back.
Seriously? Oh God. Finally you are here.
Finally.
Finally,
Don't even feel real.
Finally, we are here.
Don't even feel
Am
real.
I even dreaming or what?
All right?
Is it happening?
Hey, look, first you talk about it, you speak it, chat, then you just go make it. You just go make it happen. You go get it done.
I'm kind of surprised.
You surprised?
Surprised, seriously, I'm surprised.
How?
Surprised, bro. I'm surprised. Like, me? Why me?
Because God selected you. God chose all three of us.
God is
And now
great.
all three of us are in the back of this seat.
God is great.
And when we work, when we're hungry, when we're tired, when we keep working, we do it for Him.
Exactly.
Discomfort, we're being uncomfortable, we're doing that for Him. Just like He was on the cross.
Yeah, brother. That's
You
true.
get what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's true.
So don't be surprised, don't be shocked, because He can do more than this. He will do more than this.
Amen.
This is just the beginning.
Amen. God is king.
God is king. Come on. Yeah, we had it at dinner. Hey, how far is the dinner spot? He only speaks French.
No, it's not too far. Just
Hey, brother, does he speak French?
this guy.
Yeah. How far is the dinner spot? Ask him. How far? Oh, you know English? You know English too?
No speak very well.
No English? He speaks French?
Yeah, he speaks French.
Hey, so teach me how to say it. How do I say, how far are we?
Brother, me, I don't speak French.
Oh, you don't?
Speak French.
I tried to speak French. You know, Cameroon, we have the English side and the French side. So I came from the English side. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
really?
I'm like just trying to learn French.
In Cameroon, they have two language only, English and French.
Yeah, English and French.
Oh,
We
really?
have the Francophone and the Anglophone.
That's
Really?
crazy.
Yeah.
Really?
Y'all speak so many different languages. Chat, how they do that? They got one side of the country that speaks one language and the other that speaks another language.
Yeah. Like here.
In America, we just have English.
Yeah. But here, like where we are now, right now, and Yaoundé, and then they speak French here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The Northwest, they speak English.
So most people speak French here?
Yeah. They speak
Dang.
French here.
So most people know a little bit of both? Like, most people know, like, both, or no? Do they know French and English?
Yeah. Most people don't know French and English.
A little
That's
bit,
why I
a little
say
bit.
Cameroon is bilingual. You
Oh,
have to
bilingual.
speak French and you have to
You
speak
have
English.
to.
Yeah.
Dang. I need to learn French. Have you ever been to Yaoundé?
Yeah. I was in Yaoundé last week.
How far is that?
4 hours journey.
Oh, 4 hours driving?
Yeah, 4 hours for driving.
Okay. They're talking about Yaoundé, the capital of Cameroon.
Yeah.
It's big?
Yeah, it's big.
Big?
It's big.
What's the best city in Cameroon?
I think Limbe.
Limbe?
Limbe, yeah. Limbe.
It's nice?
Yeah. It's nice.
It's nice.
It's nice.
They got the most money?
Very nice and clean.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Most money?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, brother.
Have I been to Africa before? No, this is my first trip. First trip to Africa. Won't be the last.
Africa is amazing.
Yeah.
Africa is incredible.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
That's someone
100%.
say 100%.
100%.
But that's true. Africa is amazing. 100%.
Have y'all heard of Tanzania?
Yeah.
Tanzania?
Yeah. I've heard about Tanzania.
It's big. So what do you think the biggest in Africa is? The best? Other than your home, other than Rwanda, and other than Cameroon. Of course, y'all want to say y'all's home.
Well, I have to say Cameroon. Why? Because I've experienced Cameroon here. I don't know about. I've not.
Oh, you haven't been all around yet.
Exactly.
What's the most desired place? Where does everybody want to be? Nigeria?
Yeah, Nigeria is good. The one say Nigeria is giant of Africa.
Oh, really?
I don't know how true is that, but that's what I've been hearing people saying.
That's the biggest, right?
Yeah. Nigeria is the biggest. Very big.
Oh. Yeah, big shout out to Ghana. Hey, how far did he say it was, Corona?
That's a good question.
Oh, he didn't answer? No. Hey, driver, how far?
Selwengo.
Non, on va pas à l'hôtel, non? Ouais. 15 minutes.
So tomorrow, here's the market.
10 minutes?
15.
Okay. You said tomorrow what?
Yeah, so here's the market.
This is the market?
That's
Chat.
why I said we should go there, because here's locked. So tomorrow here will be crazy, brother.
We could walk the
Here,
market?
Jesus Christ, it will be crazy.
Really?
It will be crazy, because here is my area. Like they know
Oh,
me
really?
here. Everybody will pull out.
All right, say less.
Did we?
Say less.
Yeah. Everybody will pull
We'll
out
walk right here. What time?
in the morning.
In the morning?
The morning is cool.
Ah, say less.
Morning is cool.
Who do you live with? Your family?
Yeah.
Your
My
mom and
mom
siblings?
and my siblings, yeah.
Nice. And then you're the what? Middle? Or you're the second oldest?
I'm the second.
Second oldest.
Yeah, second.
And then the rest are girls?
Yeah, the rest are guests. We had 2 boys, 2 girls.
Two boys?
2 boys, 2 girls, and 2 girls.
Oh, okay. 4 total.
Yeah, 4 in total.
And then where's your dad? Where's your father?
Well, we lost him.
You lost him?
I lost him.
Dang, he's okay though?
I lost him when I didn't even see him.
Oh, you never
So
saw
sad,
him
I
before?
never saw him.
Dang.
Oh.
Is he
Never
still
saw
living?
him. I never saw him. Like,
Be patient,
He-
brother.
He's alive though?
no.
Oh, he passed away.
Passed away.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, brother.
I was still a baby. I was still
His too?
Yeah.
Your dad passed away when you were 6, no?
Yeah,
6.
Yeah, 6.
Yeah, I was still months.
And then my father was passed away when I was 6 years old.
6 years?
6 years old. And my mother passed away when I'm
16.
16 years old.
Dang.
Yeah.
Dang.
sad.
But Jesus is the king.
Jesus is still
brother.
king.
Yeah.
Jesus is still
Jesus
good.
is still good.
Yeah.
I love to hear that, brother. It's the only way we make it through hard times.
Yeah.
The only way. You don't need no other body. Hey, so is Tim's? Do y'all know Tim's? You know WizKid, right?
Yeah, whiskey, yeah.
You know that song? Only you can love body. Is Tim's? Is that girl from Africa too? Or it's just WizKid?
I don't know. I don't really know.
But WizKid is from Africa, right?
Yeah,
He's
whiskey, yeah,
African.
from Nigeria, I think.
Nigeria, yeah. Come to Benin. Y'all heard of Benin?
Yeah,
Is it nice?
it's nice.
A lot of people want to go there or not really? Popular? Nah.
Well, I don't know, but from
You know what that face me. He's like, my mom said, hey, look, if I don't have anything nice to say, don't say it at all.
Benin is cool though.
It's cool?
It's cool,
It's
it's
cool.
cool, it's
I
cool.
love to hear that. I really love to hear that. Come raise the maddest buses in Kenya. I'm ready for that. Hey, Small, they want to know who Sabrina is.
Sabrina.
Yeah, they're asking who is Sabrina.
Yeah, she left the home.
That's your homie?
Yeah, she's my friend.
Is that the girl who was in the video?
Yeah, it's that one. Who,
Look. Small Ashton.
Small.
Who is Sabrina?
Yeah, she left the home.
It's your homie, right?
Yeah. And she's my friend. I think she's that one that you saw in the video.
Yeah, the one, she's 18, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember. Somebody drop their phone number in the chat. Chat, don't do that. That's not smart, man. You can't just give out the phone number. That's what I said today. Freaking, I'm trying to get to a point where I can just do things that I don't feel like doing all day. You know what I'm saying? Because when you do it, you feel bad, right? But when you do it for the entire day, we call that a productive day. And at the end of the day, you feel way better. So that first task that you do, making your bed, it's annoying. Freak. You know what I'm saying? That workout that you didn't feel like hitting and you still hit, it's annoying. Dang. Them 10 pages you didn't want to read of that book, it was annoying. Until the end of the day comes and you realize, brother, I did everything that I needed to do today to become better.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's crazy, brother. It's crazy.
When you put yourself in uncomfortable positions, you literally just get better.
Yeah. Get better every day.
You get better, but when you do things that are easy, you don't.
You don't.
You get worse. You know what I'm saying? More depression, more sadness, more anger, more confusion. But who am I? What do I know? So, how long have you been posting on Instagram?
Not up to a year.
1 year?
Yeah, not up to a year because the first
Not
account,
a year yet?
Not a year yet. I think the first account I had was disabled, so I just created a new account which
Oh, really?
I'm posting there. It's not up to a year, I think.
It got disabled? Why?
Pardon?
Why did they disable it?
I don't know. They just say I violated the community guidelines. I tried to appeal. They didn't give it back to me, so I just created a different account.
How many followers did you have on that one?
191, 191,000 followers.
Okay, so you just caught up to that one. Close to it. Yeah.
Close to 200K followers.
Close to it.
Yeah.
It's coming. He keeping these hazard lights on the whole time? Maybe I should call Billy. Billy probably knows how far we are. Let me call Billy. So my guy had no answer for me. Call Billy and Dante. Maybe I should call Billy. Billy probably knows how far.
Ashton Small.
Yeah.
Welcome to Cameroon.
Thank you, my brother. Say merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. I'm
Yeah.
happy to see you.
Yeah, thank you.
I didn't know
Me
you were
happy.
coming, brother.
Yeah, me happy to see
I
you.
didn't know you were coming.
What does that mean? Monsieur beaucoup.
Thank
That's
you
welcome?
very much.
said
Thank
thank
you
you.
so much.
Oh, that's what I just said to the boy. Monsieur beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Yeah.
Happy to see you.
Yeah, thank
All right, so how do I say I love Cameroon?
Yeah, M Cameroon.
What is it?
Yeah, M Cameroon.
you. Yeah, Cameroon.
Yeah, M Cameroon.
Yeah.
Yeah, M Cameroon.
Cameroon, yeah. I love Cameroon.
All right, I'm trying to learn my French. This is French.
Yeah, French. It's French. French
So
is hard though.
this is similar to like Creole, right?
No, it's
In Haiti they speak the same thing. Similar, I think. So Amen, Cameroon, right?
yeah.
Amen. I love.
Yeah, M Cameroon.
Yeah, M.
Yeah, M.
Yeah.
Yeah, M. Cameroon.
Yeah.
I love Cameroon.
I love
All right.
Cameroon.
How do I say? How are you doing?
Comment vas-tu? Ou ben,
Oh, that's easy. Comment vas-tu?
yeah.
That's it.
Ou bien, comment tu vas?
God dang. All of that. Comment abin?
Comment tu vas?
Comment puta. That's it.
Comment tu...
I said it wrong? Comment what?
Comment tu vas?
Voilà.
Comment tu
Comment, comment tu vas?
Comment tu vas? Yeah.
Comment tu vas?
Comment tu
Voilà.
vas?
Yeah.
Aston,
Comment tu
got
vas?
it. Yeah, comment tu vas?
That's it? Comment tu vas?
Voilà, that's
Yeah,
it. It's
yeah.
good.
Comment tu vas?
Comment tu vas?
And then, so what all do I need to know? I need to know how are you? I need to know I love Cameroon. I need to know what else would you need to know? Good morning. How you say good morning?
Bonjour.
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 Yeah.
Oh, that's
Easy.
smooth.
But evening, you say
Hey,
bonsoir.
friend.
Bonsoir is good
In
evening.
evening,
Yeah.
just want to say good evening.
Good
just to say
evening.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir. So you know French a little bit?
No, I
know,
don't
you
know
know,
French.
brother,
You know a little bit. You know a little bit.
I
Man,
know
that
you.
boy- That boy too humble. Bonsoir.
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 Good evening.
And that's good evening.
Bonjour. Good morning.
Yeah.
Bonjour. Good morning. Ah.
Thank you.
Give me like 3 days, chat. I promise you. I promise you I can hold a conversation.
You're gonna learn French. Thank you. It's merci beaucoup.
Yeah.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci
Thank
beaucoup.
you so much.
And how can you say when we are going to ask someone what is your name?
What is your name?
Yeah.
Driver, Ashton Hall is hungry. Yes. Yes. You know I didn't eat one meal today, chat. Not one. I didn't eat one thing at all today. Have you ever done a fast?
I don't think I can do it. I've never done it, brother.
You never do one day? Big body. He said he.
If I need to fast, I need to stop walking.
Stop walking?
Yeah, I need to stop walking.
Walking and working. You can't work either.
Like walking, like
Oh, working, not
Yeah,
walking.
don't
Working,
walk,
working,
yeah.
working. The accent. So no work,
no work,
no workout,
training,
no training, no training.
let me just stay in the house.
Just chill.
Yeah, why? Because walking, I need energy.
Yeah.
If I don't eat, I might pass out at work.
Dang.
What do you think?
Oh.
Have you ever fasted? Have you ever went like a whole day with no food?
No food.
Yeah.
How long?
Many time.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Because of the I didn't have it.
You didn't have it?
Yes.
What you mean you didn't have it?
And you decided to fast.
You couldn't get it?
Yeah.
You couldn't get it?
That's what he meant. He couldn't get it.
Oh.
You
There
didn't
was
have
no
it. You
food.
didn't have it.
Yeah, I
There
say
was no food.
there is no food home.
Why
because
not,
I don't. I just spend one day without food because we don't have it at home.
Were you hungry?
Right now.
No, were you hungry that day? Were you mad? Were you angry? Were you angry,
They
mad,
always say
upset?
a hungry person is a hungry person. So he was hungry, right?
You were hungry and angry. Look,
You know,
look.
when you're hungry, you're angry.
You were hungry and you were angry.
Yeah.
You were mad.
No food, no
You
joy.
were angry. So when you look, no food, no joke. Yeah, he knows. You didn't have any food, right?
Yeah.
So you were upset. You were mad, frustrated, angry, right? And then you ate the next day. Have you ever gone 2 days with no food?
Yeah. I spent that 2 days with no food.
2 days?
2 days.
No.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Not
bro.
3 though. Not 3.
Not 3
That's
days.
crazy.
Just I spent 2 days.
2 days?
2 days.
Because you couldn't get it?
Because of there is no
There was
food.
no food.
I don't have food.
Brother.
Yeah.
And you here today.
But at least
Jesus
you
is
drank
good.
water.
Here.
Jesus is
Jesus
good.
is the king.
Jesus
is
is
king.
king.
Jesus is king, brother.
Do you think how can I spend 2 days without it?
That's
It's
crazy.
That's
a big
crazy.
issues and it's a big problem.
Huge 2
But-
days.
2 days.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pass out, brother.
That's sad. I'm not gonna lie, but I would be
pass out.
pissed.
No. 2 days? No
Bro,
food?
I'll be
Yeah.
dang. That's crazy. I gotta get
That's
my
crazy.
act together. I'll be getting mad when it's been like 10 hours. I'm pissed. Like, yo, where's the food at? Brother, just chill.
2 days, no food.
Relax. Some
First, you
people
are
don't
hungry.
have food.
You are hungry. The monsters are hungry.
Yeah, legit. You got kids, bro? You got
No.
any kids?
No.
No kids?
Okay.
Girlfriend?
No girlfriend.
Good.
No girlfriend.
Mom will beat me.
Really?
No girlfriend. She said wait till 30.
Yeah.
Wait till 30.
That's why I'm still with her.
Really?
That's why I stay with you.
She
Mom,
gotta
yeah, Mom don't
keep
want
her
to leave
hands
me.
on you.
Mom don't want to leave me. Solo
W's in
girlfriend.
the chat. W's in the chat. We have arrived to dinner. It's gonna be a very special dinner. Ashton streams are more realistic and enjoyable to watch, less discombobulated. I appreciate that. WW Inc.
开门请注意，
Who is AG Promoter? Who is that? I don't know who that is.
AG promoter.
Who's that? You know who that
AG promoter. He's a big promoter that come from Rwanda.
is? Really?
Yeah, his name
Ooh!
AG promoter.
How you know him?
He's my real friend.
Really?
Yeah.
Are y'all close?
Let me tell you something. He's the one who take me
Keep the light. Keep the light. He's the one who what?
Yes, he's the one who took me the video for posting on the platform first.
Really?
Yeah, for sure.
He
Without
brought-
anything.
So really?
Yeah.
You didn't pay him?
No, I didn't pay him.
We're gonna pay him
crazy.
back. I'm gonna help you pay him back.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you pay him back.
Yeah.
It's family.
Yeah.
So AG Promoter, so he helps people push like content.
Yeah. It just
Love.
Yeah,
Love.
just love.
Just love.
Just love.
Yeah,
That's
there
love.
are people
That's
that
God's
when
word.
they
Yeah,
see,
and I wish when you come in Rwanda you shall meet with him.
Okay, say less. I'll meet him.
Yeah.
AG Promoter, we gonna meet him.
Yeah,
Hey,
promoter.
Granda, we coming.
Yeah.
So basically, sometimes in Africa, when people see like talent,
Yeah,
they'll bring them
they'll
in for
bring-
free
That's true.
because they know you guys will blow up.
Yeah, because there are also some promoters that have been like trying to post me as well.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
With no payment.
No payment. I was not even away.
America, we got to do better because they be trying to run my pockets. Hey, look, I ain't get that offer yet. We here.
Yeah.
I don't know if I want to eat though. Huh?
Where's your shirt?
For my brother, I don't know.
Your brother?
Yeah. Here.
Like your brother.
Oh, we need a T-shirt to get in this restaurant.
Et nous, son manager. Il a le t-shirt. Il a le t-shirt.
They say we need a shirt to get in. That's crazy.
Attends, parisien. Il n'a pas
I mean I don't know.
We need a shirt to get in.
My brother was my chef, but I don't know. He didn't come.
Ah, donne-lui ça, là-bas. En bas. Donne-lui, frérot, c'est le travail, frérot.
I low-key don't want to eat.
Le t-shirt que t'as en
I
bas.
will be there with my brother. No, just say-
Should I eat? I'm talking about just for me, like not for the stream, just like for me.
No, I know. Rice.
I'll probably just eat.
Rice.
No, I need protein.
So you need to eat.
But I'm saying if I'm gonna eat, I'm not gonna eat no carbs. I'm
Hey,
eating
should he
protein.
eat right now?
I'm gonna eat whatever he eats, so I can look like him.
What's your diet?
Rice, chicken. African meals are crazy.
Là, là-bas,
You eat a lot of eggs.
Yeah.
I've been seeing
15
you
eggs.
whole
Some
eggs.
days.
And
Some days,
oatmeal.
15 eggs.
Eggs and oatmeal.
15 eggs?
Some days.
15? Crazy.
It's easy.
Crazy. That's not easy.
It's easy.
I'm gonna keep it real. That ain't easy.
No, it's easy, brother. It's easy. It's
15
easy.
eggs?
15 eggs.
10 eggs.
Yeah.
He crazy.
And you?
He crazy, huh? He crazy.
Yeah, 50 eggs. Can you?
Man,
How many eggs
crazy.
do you eat?
16 eggs.
15.
15 eggs.
1-5. 15 eggs.
How many eggs do you eat?
This is crazy.
My stomach gonna be pissed at me.
Yeah.
How many you eat? I eat like 3.
3? Just
3 on
3.
3 that.
Maybe 2. Maybe 2.
You need to eat.
And me just want to take one.
One.
One, and we chilling.
One.
That's all we need.
Yeah.
One, you get one and like a little piece of bacon or 2.
Yeah.
We chilling.
Just one.
You don't eat bacon? No pork?
No. Just
Dang,
eat.
he's dialed, locked in. Somebody said, sheesh. Yeah, I put on the shirt. Don't worry. Don't worry. We won't offend them. What city is he in? Yeah, we're in Gwalior. Oh, no, not Gwalior. What is it?
Douala.
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 Yeah.
A lot of names to remember. Hey, can we give him just one of my shirts?
They're bringing a shirt right now.
Oh, they're bringing one? All right.
Ash. He said, does he have an extra shirt? They're bringing one. What part of the city is this?
I don't know.
Buena
Buena prison. Buena prison. Buena prison.
prison.